Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. Today I will show you how to add friends on your BeReal account. So let's get straight to the video. First open your BeReal app and then tap on the people icon at the top left corner. Now here you will see a list of friends from your contacts. You can simply add them by sending them link. For that, tap on the invite button at the side of their profile. Tap on invite button and here you will see a pop-up menu. You have to choose one of the options from which you want to share link. Choose one and share the link and add friend. You can also add friend by searching their name on the search bar. For that, you will see a search bar at the top of the page. Tap on the search bar and here type in your friend's name. And here you will see different options. Choose your friend and tap on their profile. Now here you can add friend by tapping on the add button at the middle of the page. Tap on the add button and here you have successfully sent them request. They will see it and add you back. You can also add your friend from discovery page. For that, go back to your discovery page and here you will find different posts. Choose one of the posts you like and then tap on the profile at the top left corner of the post. Here you will see the add button at the middle of the page. Tap on that. You have sent them request. They will add you back once they see it. Hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.